Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to our channel English Lessons Online. In today's lesson, we shall look at Concord in English grammar. The word Concord simply means the subject, which is the noun or pronoun, and verb, which is the action, must agree in number. Thus, if a subject is singular, it must take a singular verb. If a subject is plural, it must take a plural verb. This brings us to the subject. The subject is the person, place, or thing that is performing an action in a sentence. The subject therefore represents the noun or pronoun that the sentence speaks about. Here are some examples. Let us look at the sentence below. Nancy eats a lot. Who eats a lot? Nancy. So in this sentence, Nancy is the subject because Nancy is the one carrying out an action, and the sentence is also about Nancy. Then in example 2, they eat a lot. The sentence is about they, so they represents the subject of the sentence, and they carries out the action eat. Now let us look at the verb. The verb is the word that indicates the action that the subject performs. So the verb indicates the action that the subject performs. In other words, the verb is the action word. Here are some examples. Nancy eats a lot. The action that is being carried out here is eats. Therefore, eats is the verb. They eat a lot. The action carried out in example 2 is eat. Eat here is also the verb of the sentence. Now let us look at the basic rule of Concord. The basic rule of Concord says that a singular subject must take a singular verb. Likewise, a plural subject must take a plural verb. This brings us to forming singular and plural nouns. Some nouns easily form their plural by adding the suffixes s or es to their singular forms. Here are some examples. So we have the singular nouns and we have the plural nouns. For the singular, we have car, then we have plural noun, cars. Elephant, elephants. Teacher, teachers. Church, churches. Bus, buses. So in these examples, we can see that we simply added s to the singular form to get the plural forms. So these are some of the ways by which you can obtain the plural forms of some nouns. Other nouns, however, form their plural in different ways. Here are some examples of such nouns. So we have mouse, mice. Mouse, mice. The singular form is mouse, the plural form is mice. Child, children. Woman, women. Some nouns do not change form. These include sheep, equipment, deer. This simply means that the singular form is the same as the plural form. So now let us look at forming singular and plural verbs. Verbs and nouns form their plural in opposite ways. Remember what we said, we can form the plural of some nouns by adding s or es. But in the case of verbs, it's the opposite. To form singular form of verbs, suffixes s and es are added to the basic form of the verb. In the case of nouns, we add s or es to get the plural. But in the case of verbs, we add s or es to get the singular form. However, nothing is added to get the plural form of verbs. The table below shows some singular and plural verbs. For the singular verbs, we add s or es to them to get the singular form. Then the plural, nothing is added. Singular, talks. Plural, talk. Singular, laughs. Plural, laugh. Singular, flies. Plural, fly. Singular, misses. Plural, miss. Singular, touches. Plural, touch. The verbs be, do, and have also have their singular and plural form. So for is, we have the plural form to be are, was, were, does, do, has, have. Now let us look at how we can apply the basic rule of Concord in sentences. So we are going to form sentences using the basic rule of Concord. The boy likes climbing trees. The boy likes climbing trees. So we have singular subject, the boy, going with singular verb, likes. The boys like climbing trees. Please, it is not the boys likes climbing trees. It is wrong. The correct way is the boys like climbing trees. So we can see the difference. The boy likes climbing trees. The boys like climbing trees. So the boys is a plural subject which goes with the plural verb like. Abu reads much. Abu reads much. They read much. They read much. They is a plural pronoun. Therefore, it must go with the plural verb read. This driver drives very fast. This driver drives very fast. This driver is a singular subject which goes with the singular verb drives. The drivers drive very fast. The drivers is a plural subject which goes with the plural verb drive. She does her homework every day. She does her homework every day. She is a singular pronoun and must therefore go with a singular verb does. It is wrong to say she do her homework every day. It is grammatically wrong. The correct one is she does her homework every day. Then we have they do their homework every day. It is wrong to equally say they does their homework every day. It's they do because they is a plural pronoun and must therefore go with the plural verb do. The woman misses her husband. The woman misses her husband. The women miss their husband. Please, I hope you understand what we are doing. The man loves traveling. The men love traveling. The man loves traveling. The men love traveling. Man is a singular subject and it goes with the singular verb loves. The man is a plural subject and it goes with the plural verb love. Now, try this out with me. Let me see whether you understand what we have done so far. So let's take these sentences one after the other. Let's see which of the verbs is suitable for each of them or appropriate for each of them, taking into consideration the subject. So the first sentence, monkeys love banana. So here the correct answer is love. He enjoys science fiction. He enjoys science fiction. He is singular, therefore the correct answer is enjoys. My uncle is a pilot. He flies a jumbo jet. My uncle is a pilot. He flies a jumbo jet. He is a singular pronoun, therefore it must go with the singular verb flies. Most chiefs in Ghana ride in palanquins. Most chiefs in Ghana ride in palanquins. Most chiefs is plural, therefore it must go with the plural verb ride. The correct answer therefore is ride. Many people believe in God. Not many people believes in God. But many people, plural subject, goes with the plural verb believe. Teachers do not like noise in the classroom. Teachers do not like noise in the classroom. Teachers is a plural subject. Therefore, the correct answer is do. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope today's lesson has been helpful to you. Please let me know in the comment section. Please click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you.